Here we come to some more additional elevators at NRG Convention Center in Houston, Texas. These are the exact same elevators like all the other ones. And this is going to be an updated take on these as well. Oh, look at this. They both open up. Nice. That button seems like it's seen better days. And this one's got a fan. Still hear that loud motor of the fan. Is this thing open? Oh, oh, this thing's open. The fire service cabinet is open. I guess I don't have to worry about sending elevator cars up. There goes that one. All right, now watch this. Oh, it didn't do it that time. Okay. Because normally both elevator cars open at first. I just saw them. This one doesn't have a fan. My goodness, that took forever to level. All right, there it goes. And that's it.